In this video, we are going to look at how to create a critical authorization object so that you can run with this report. Okay, so I'm going to click on critical authorizations. First step is I need to define something. Okay, let's say Z mass change. Okay, mass change user is the okay. Save that. Okay, now I go to here. So let's say I need to define Z SU10. Mass change user. Okay, so I want to specify the color, let's say red, and then I put SU10 here. New. Okay, now save that. If you go in here, okay, so it already basically helps you identify all the objects required. So where this object is coming from is C93 SU10. Okay, okay, so now you go back in here. Okay, critical authorizations. Okay, now you can mass change, right? Now you need to add here the authorization you created. Go down, new. Okay, now you can run the report. Role level, critical authorizations, variant, Z mass change. Okay, let's say Z star. So now processing the data. It's telling me these roles have mass change access. Okay, let's look one of them like that. Let's say Control C. We go in here. Open new window. Menu. SU10 is here. I go to authorizations. Okay, so it has the access. So this is a good way to run critical, at least start running your critical access risks within your role and users, and this will help you. It's a free tool within SAP itself which will help you identify the risk analysis reports. Thanks for watching the video. Please click on the link below to download the free cybersecurity tool. Thank you.